Good morning, students. I am JS. Today we are going to see one exercise problem. Exercise 6.6 second sum. Find direction cosines of normal to the plane. Plane equation is given. Also find the non-parametric form of vector equation of a plane and the length of the perpendicular to the plane from the origin. So we already seen one formula, equation of plane when a normal to the plane and the distance of the plane from the origin are given. There are two given. First one is normal, second one is distance. What formula we usually used? R vector dot n cap equal to p. P is the distance. Can you understand, children? So let me see our problem. Usually we take R vector equal to x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector. So our given equation to changed x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector dot 12 I vector plus 3 j vector minus 4 k vector equal to 65. Can you understand, children? This is dot product, so that we multiplied I vector to I vector, j vector to j vector, k vector to k vector, so that the equation can be interchanged. 12x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 65, given equation. So n vector equal to 12 I vector plus 3j vector minus 4k vector. This is normal vector, n vector. But in our formula, n cap we want, isn't it, children? So how can we calculate n cap? So for calculating n cap, we want the value of modulus of n vector, square root of 12 square plus 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. So 12 square 144 plus 9 plus 60. So totally 25, 16 plus 9, 25, 25, 169, 169, 30. Square root of 169, 30. Okay, children. So therefore n cap equal to n vector divided by modulus of n vector. So n vector is 12 I vector plus 3j vector minus 4k vector divided by 30. So this is our equation. So we have to divide it by 13 both the sides. We get this value is n cap. Can you understand, children? So R vector equation, x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector dot, this is our equation. This is not n cap, this is n vector, but in our vector equation R vector dot n cap equal to p, so that I divided by 13 on both the sides. So 12 I vector plus 3j vector minus 4k vector divided by 13 equal to 65 divided by 13. So when you cancel 5 times, so x I vector plus y j vector plus z k vector dot 12 I vector plus 3j vector minus 4k vector divided by 30. So this is in the form of r vector dot n cap equal to p. We know that p is distance from the origin. Can you understand, children? Which implies p is equal to 5 units. So there are three values we have to calculate in this problem. First one is the direction cosines of normal. Find the non-parametric form of vector equation. Second one. Third one, length. Okay, children. So length we calculated. The vector equations also we done. So one value is remaining, that is direction cosine. So we know that the direction cosines of normal equation is 12i vector plus 3j vector minus 4k vector, and the modulus of n vector is 13. So that the direction cosine is 12 by 13, comma 3 by 13 minus 4 by 13. So we already known in 11th standard. So 12 by 13, comma 3 by 13, comma minus 4 by 13. This is direction cosines of normal. Okay, children, that's all.